Hello students, welcome back to the second part of report writing. In my first part, I told you about report writing, and I also gave you some key points which you should keep in your mind while drafting a report. I gave you some instructions that you should keep in your mind while writing a report. Now let us see the format. First of all, write the word report here with blanking. After that, give a suitable heading. You know students, heading shouldn't have any auxiliaries. The heading should be very brief, and better make the heading in two parts. It will give a good look and it will be more effective. Give the heading in two parts and write the word report and the heading with capital letters and use blanking. Use blanking for the word report and the heading. After that, give the name of the reporter. A report by ABC Mishra and Times of India correspondent. ABC Mishra is correspondent of Times of India. So that should also be given there. Date along with day. Date along with day, and place should also be mentioned here. After that, let us start the report. I told you already that first paragraph is introduction. An introduction is to describe in brief about the topic. We will describe in very brief that yesterday a heart riding accident took place at Salimpur Baraj Road at about 10:30 am. It was really a heartbreaking accident in which 5 people lost their life. A throng of people connected there to see the heart-rending accident. After describing 4 or 5 lines, that is, you should come to content portion. In content portion, give 2 headings. I have given 2 headings: cause of accident and eyewitnesses. You will describe about the cause of accident. Write in detail what was the cause of accident. Because you are the reporter, when you reach this spot, what did you come to know? What did you come to see there? You will describe in your own words. The accident took place between a truck and a jeep. The numbers of passengers sitting in truck and jeep. Whether it was a head-to-head collision, whether the jeep was trying to overtake the truck. These things you will write here. Number of people dead, number of people injured and taken to hospital, condition of the truck driver, whatever you saw, you have to write in the content portion. Cause of accident, eyewitness, the people who were viewing the accident, who saw the accident. You can give some witnesses also. For example, according to a vendor, according to a shopkeeper, whatever they saw and they told you, you have to write in the eyewitnesses paragraph column. After that, let us come to the conclusion. Conclusion you will write beside some leaders. You can write local leaders, local leaders. Besides some local leaders, a multitude of people were present at the spot. The driver who was seriously injured was rushed to the hospital. The people helped the sufferers standing on the road who were quite injured, and some help was provided by the leaders. Whatever you saw, you can write there, and still the investigation is carried on to know the cause of accident. In such way, students will complete the 3 paragraphs: introduction, content and conclusion. Your report should be not less than 200 words. Write the report in 200 words. Now students, this is the format of report writing. Try to write the reports. And now in the next video I will give you some question on report writing, and I will also give a new format for formal report. Till then, thank you.